The objective for making this video is to discuss previous year MAKAUT question paper solution on electric machine 1 subject. Now coming to Group A question answer. The first question is, a transformer transforms which parameter of electricity? For answering this question, you have to recall the definition of the transformer. What is the definition of the transformer? The transformer is a static device which transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another through the medium of magnetic field, but without change in frequency. During this transformation, the voltage and current associated with each circuit may be changed. So what is the correct answer for this particular question? Voltage and current. The second question is, spot connection are used for the transformation of dash. You have to fill in the blanks. Now, the basic objective for spot connection is to transfer 3-phase to 2-phase, but the provision is there. It is capable enough to transfer 2-phase to 3-phase also. So the correct answer is 3-phase to 2-phase or vice versa. The third question is, transformer cores are laminated in order to dash. You have to fill in the blanks. Now for any such type of questions, cores are laminated due to only one reason, that is to minimize the eddy current loss. So the correct answer of this particular question is minimize the eddy current loss. The next question is a numerical. In a 4-pole 25 kilowatt 200 volt wave-wound DC shunt generator, the current in each parallel path will be dash. You have to fill in the blanks. So for solving this numerical, first of all, you have to find out the total current. So for calculating the total current, first of all, you have to convert 25 kilowatt into watt and then divided by the voltage. So you are getting the total current, that is 125 ampere. Now as the machine is wave-wound, so number of parallel path becomes 2. So current per parallel path is 125 divided by 2, that is 62.5 ampere. So the correct answer is 62.5 ampere. The next question is, the number of parallel paths for simplex lap winding is equal to dash. You have to fill in the blanks. Now, in case of DC machine, 2 types of armature winding is available. One is called lap winding, another one is called wave winding. For lap winding, the number of parallel paths always equals to the number of poles of the machine. And for wave-wound machine, the number of parallel path is always equals to 2. So the correct answer is number of poles. In the next question, DC generator works on the principle of Fleming's dash hand rule. You have to fill in the blanks. Now, for discussing this answer, I would like to give one trick in Bengali. জেনারেটরের আরেক নাম হচ্ছে ডায়নামো, আর ডান হাতে প্রথম অক্ষর হচ্ছে ড। তো জেনারেটরের অপর নাম ডায়নামো, ডায়নামোর ড আছে কোথায়? ডান হাতে। তার মানে জেনারেটরের ক্ষেত্রে ফ্লেমিংসের ডান হস্ত নিয়ম প্রযোজ্য। সিমিলারলি মোটরের ম আছে বাম হাতে, সো মোটরের ক্ষেত্রে ফ্লেমিংসের বাম হস্ত নিয়ম প্রযোজ্য। এটা মনে রাখার সহজ উপায়, অনেক সময় আমাদের মধ্যে গুলিয়ে যায়, তো সেই জন্য এই ট্রিকটা আমি বলে দিলাম। সো রাইট অ্যান্সার ইজ রাইট হ্যান্ড রুল। The next question is, in a transformer, the leakage flux of each winding is proportional to the current in that winding because leakage paths do not saturate. You have to conclude whether the statement is true or false. Now, in a transformer, the leakage flux of each of the winding is directly proportional to the current of that winding. And it is only because the leakage paths do not saturate. So this statement is true. The next question is, the essential condition for parallel operation of two single phase transformer is that they should have the same dash. You have to fill in the blanks. Now, generally 4 conditions are there. Among these 4 conditions, 2 becomes essential and rest of 2 are the desirable. So, the essential conditions are the transformer should have same polarity and the transformers should have same transformation ratio. That you have to mention in this particular question. So correct answer is polarity and transformation ratio. The next question is, the developed electromagnetic force and or torque in electromechanical energy conversion system act in a direction tends to increase the stored energy at constant flux. Is it true or false? That you have to mention. For answering this question, you have to keep in mind that during the production of electromagnetic force or torque in an electromechanical energy conversion device, act in a direction tends to decrease the stored energy at constant flux. As it is mentioned here, increase, so it is false. The next question is, in a DC series motor, torque is approximately proportional to what? You have to fill in the blanks. For deriving this question, you have to recall the relation of torque, that is developed torque of DC motor. So generally, developed torque is directly proportional to field flux and armature current. Product of field flux and armature current. Again, field flux is directly proportional to field current. And as we are talking about DC series motor, so field current is equals to armature current. So the torque is directly proportional to armature current square. But the important thing is that, which you have to keep in mind, this relation is hold good for non-saturated condition. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. In next question, what conversion commutator does in DC machines? So in case of generator, the commutator acts as a mechanical rectifier, and in case of motor, commutator acts as a mechanical inverter. So as here DC machines is mentioned, so I think you have to give the answer that it will act as a mechanical converter. Okay. Last question is that a delta zigzag three-phase transformer can be designated as. For answering this question, you have to know the purpose of delta zigzag transformer so that you can easily answering this question. So the delta zigzag transformer is used as grounding transformer. So the answer is grounding transformer. With this, I would like to end my today's video, and definitely will come with next part very shortly. Thank you.